Welcome to the High Voltage Light Electric Vehicle channel. This video is about the first ever Black Friday sale we've ever done for our upgrade kits for the BBSHD motor. If you don't know about our upgrade kits, then they allow you to give your BBSHD motor superpowers by tripling its power and performance, along with giving you lots more ability to adjust the power levels and tune the bike to your liking. With one of these kits, you can have a bike that's faster and accelerates harder than a stock Sur-Ron. At the same time, you can also restrict it to comply with local e-bike restrictions when you need to. For our Black Friday sale, we're giving people two choices. You can either have $50 off the list price, or you can have a free peak gear to upgrade your motor with. You can secure this deal by emailing Greg at High Voltage Kits to start an order on the 24th, 25th and 26th of November, and the link address and details will be in the description. The high voltage kit for the BBSHD usually costs $699. I quite often get asked why our kit costs this much. It's true, we do charge a bit more for the high voltage upgrade kit than some of the other options on the market. However, the amount we're talking about here is at the most $100 more. So I'll go over what you get by spending a bit more on something that we make. Actually, if you take advantage of our Black Friday deal, then it'll be only $50 more. So number one is you get full build support via our Discord community. This is not just with the installation of the kit, this is with all aspects of building a modified BBSHD. By this I'm talking about things like frame choice, battery, drivetrain tensioning, many more. By being part of this community, you get access to lots of other folk that have done this, often multiple times. We have an awesome community and we want you to have the best bike you can build. Number two, we support people long term. If I had $1 for every time I heard from somebody that had been abandoned by another seller, I'd be a rich man. We stand by our product. We constantly refine it. It's why it's the best on the market. It's why we have the best customer service out there. It's why we don't have people complaining about us on social media. If you have a problem, we make it right. If you run into issues, we help you. We don't believe in nickel and diming people with extra fees to change a couple of settings on a controller. Number three, you get an Egg Rider V2 display with your kit. This is a premium display that gives you options that every other kit on the market simply does not have. We work closely with Egg Rider to ensure that this gives you lots of options to tune your bike. You have two different rider profiles. You can configure a range of settings on the ASI back controller that other companies want to charge you to alter. Want to change your battery on the fly? No problem. Want to have a profile for riding trails with no field weakening active? Done. Number four, the HV app. We have our own app that lets you configure the critical settings on the ASI Back 855. ASI are pretty picky about accessing their controllers. There are over 5,000 parameters on them that can be changed. In reality, there are only a few key ones that users really might need to change. Things like the throttle ramp, the pedal assist power ramp. The HV Connect app lets you make these changes yourself without needing to pay someone $50 and go through all the ball ache of having the remote log onto your controller. What's more, we're able to guide people to make these changes via our Discord platform. Number five, we have proper thermal monitoring and rollback. The BBSHD is strong, but it's not indestructible. With our kit, when it starts to get a bit hot, the controller will notice and reduce the power accordingly. You can see the temperature on the Egg Rider. You don't need to stop and put your hand on the motor to check. Number six, it's configured just for you. We make sure that the bike you have will work with our kit before we sell you anything. Each kit we send out is tailored to fit. Everything is fully tested. We run every kit that goes out with a motor. Every controller that's shipped has been run in. Every harness that is made gets tested. When you buy a kit from us, it was made for you. It's not some mass-produced thing that was pulled off a shelf. This is something that we're very proud of, and we want you to have the best. Number seven, the harness and mount are specifically designed to overcome the biggest weakness of the Back 855, which is the JST connector. Two things cause this to fail. The first is moisture running down the cables. The second is the connector getting stressed from flex put on it by the wiring bundle. The combination of our mounting system and protection for the connector itself means that problems with this are extremely unlikely to occur. Just look at the difference between our JST plug and everyone else's. Which one do you think is going to fail and cause issues? So you can go out and buy something that costs less, but you won't get any of what I've just listed. So I guess ask yourself, Do you think all of what I discussed is worth $50 to $100 more? I mean, you don't even have to take my word for it. You could also ask on our Discord server full of happy riders if they think it was worth it. Another common thing I hear is that I can buy a Grin Phase Runner for half that price, which again is true. You could buy a Grin Phase Runner for $350, but you also need to buy one of these, which is the Cycle Analyst V3 to run it. That's another $120. Then you need a harness, which is about $70, as well as other peripherals to make it work, which may or may not be compatible with what you have. Then you need to spend significant time programming it to get it all working, whereas our stuff is optimally tuned right out of the box. So when you look at that then, it's not really half the price anymore. What you get with us is a complete turnkey solution that's been refined for years and comes with a massive amount of community and support baked in. Anyway, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.